Welcome back to San Diego People. I'm Lauren Phinney. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, food insecurity across the nation has skyrocketed. The San Diego Hunger Coalition is bringing awareness to the CalFresh program that's helping feed people in this time of need. On the phone right now is Amand Schultz Brochu from the San Diego Hunger Coalition telling us more about the CalFresh program. Amanda, good morning.
Good morning, Lauren. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining us. Let's first talk about CalFresh and exactly what it provides for a community.
So CalFresh is San Diego County's strongest tool to combat hunger right now. CalFresh is a tool that provides individuals or households with a monthly allotment of money that they can use to purchase groceries either in a grocery store or now, as of April 28th, they can also use those benefits online at Amazon or Walmart to purchase groceries and have them delivered to their doorstep. The average household, right now, there's a fantastic opportunity that households are eligible for the maximum amount of CalFresh benefits, which means that an individual applying during the month of May is going to receive $194 a month to purchase groceries, or a family of four is going to receive $646 a month.
Wow, and you talked a little bit about some of the adjustments and changes that were made because of the coronavirus pandemic. Can you elaborate on some of the other changes that you've seen, either through an increase in need and people applying, or what you've adjusted within the CalFresh organization to sort of meet the need that's out there?
Absolutely. So here locally, we've seen an incredible increase in need in the number of people that are applying for CalFresh benefits. So just here in San Diego County, we've seen a 250% increase in the number of individuals that have applied for CalFresh in the last 2 months. And we've seen an additional 43,000 San Diego County residents taking advantage of this great program. And in response, our state has done an amazing job of streamlining the CalFresh program to make it more accessible to individuals. So right now, the majority of CalFresh application interviews have been waived, so people can easily go online and apply for benefits at www.getcalfresh.org, or they can apply by calling 211 and receiving assistance to apply over the phone. Individuals who currently have CalFresh, all of their reporting requirements are currently waived. So it means that individuals who already have CalFresh are able to easily maintain their benefits through this difficult time period.
And when you talk about those numbers increasing so dramatically, you really think, are these benefits and sort of the extensions of these services going to be extended past May? Because, I mean, you know, California, we've talked about how slowly we're going to start to open things back up, and we're dealing with, you know, over a 25% unemployment rate. Are these benefits going to continue past May? Have you talked about that?
Yeah, that's definitely something that the Hunger Coalition and our hunger advocates across the state of California are working on a daily basis to advocate to ensure that these benefits continue to be there for the people who need them. So we anticipate that somewhere around mid-May we'll have a better sense of the continuation of these expanded CalFresh benefits. But we recognize that that's something at the top of our elected officials' minds, and making sure that these benefits continue to be there for people.
Yeah. CalFresh accounts for 57% of all food assistance in San Diego County, and as we know, that's a very growing number at this point right now. And I was speaking with Jim Flores from the food bank earlier, talking about, you know, all these reports of farmers across the country having to get rid of some of their crops or dairy products and having to dump milk because they just don't have the restaurants and the school districts to sell these products to. But obviously through CalFresh or food banks, it would be great to sort of funnel those extra resources on the farming agricultural level through to the people who are really having a difficult time paying their bills and feeding their families. Are you working new avenues of that? How does CalFresh work as far as getting the extra resources that might be out there that could otherwise go to waste to our families?
That's a really great point, and I think one of the things that the COVID crisis has really shined light on is the need for us to take a closer look at the intricacies of our food supply chain. And so, you know, there are there needs to be a really comprehensive approach to addressing food insecurity in our county and across the nation. And so a part of the conversations that we're having with food suppliers and distributors is how do we reconfigure these supply chains to make food more accessible to individuals, whether it's through grocery stores or re-engaging restaurants, or helping farmers to be able to donate this food to food distribution groups like San Diego Food Bank and Feeding San Diego that can get it out through their vast pantry networks. We recognize.
Great point, Amanda. It seems just such a shame to see food go to waste during this time when people are so desperate. So again, getcalfresh.org is one of the ways that you can apply. Amanda, thank you so much for your time this morning and for your hard work.
Thank you so much.
Take care.